Welcome back, first-timers. We're out here in Navarre, Florida on a rainy May day.
But that's not going to stop what we have planned for you today.
Now, Terry's not much of a swimmer, or actually not a swimmer at all. I do enjoy all things water sports, and that's why I'm diving right into this adventure.
I'm going to be mostly a spectator today for this video, but David is going to take a course in Discover Scuba.
Under Pressure Diving reached out to see if we wanted to come out to their facility and see if scuba was something that we were interested in doing. This is a beautiful place to learn how to dive. There's reefs, there's all kinds of sea life out here, and they're on the verge of sinking the USS United States, which is a giant battleship that they're going to be sinking right here in the Gulf, which will be an amazing diving opportunity if I'm able to learn the skills I need to get down there safe and back up.
I'm here with Carl and Taz. They are the owner-operators of Under Pressure Diving. Why don't you guys tell me a little bit about the business?
We started the business together in 2017. Wanted to go out on our own to get people involved in scuba diving, and we've been set up shop. We have equipment, compressors, tanks, everything we need to get started and to get you started into diving.
What kind of services or classes do you offer?
So as far as classes, anything from the very basic open water class all the way through Dive Master will teach. You can never have had a snorkel or a mask on in your life, and we'll get you started from there. And then if you've been doing it for 10 years and you want to get other certifications, we can do those too.
How long does it take to get certified, typically?
So in the past, we would do about 40 hours of classroom where you're sitting there and we're teaching you everything. Now we can go to a CBT where they can do it online at their own pace. Typically, it takes people about a week to a month to complete the CBTs, and that's because they're busy or they have other things going on. But if you wanted to crunch it, you could do the CBTs in about 4 days, and then you spend about 3 days to 4 days with us doing pool and open water. Realistically, we could get you done in 4 days.
Do you need your own equipment to get started? Do you have everything that they'll need?
Carl?
We have everything you need to get started as far as for the class, with the VCDs, tanks, regulators, wetsuits. The one thing that we don't provide, but we do have in-house for resale, are mask, fin, snorkeling boots. If you have your own mask, fin, snorkeling boots, great. If you don't, we have what you need, or we can get what you need at a discounted price.
And where can they find you if they want to come out and take a class?
If you want to get a hold of us, you can get a hold of us on Instagram or Facebook. Message either myself or Carl, and we'll get you started.
Why don't you show us around, and then we'll get David in the pool.
Sounds good. So we are a full-service dive shop. We'll service tanks. We fill tanks. We rent tanks. So we have everything to do that. Also, as far as servicing tanks goes, we do visually inspect, and we do hydro test tanks. We have all of the gear that you need to rent. And then, like Carl said earlier, if you don't have your own mask, fin, snorkel, we do provide those at a discount. We don't rent them, we don't loan them, but we do sell them, and we give a huge student discount if you come and do your class with us. We do offer veterans discounts. It's significant over what most dive shops do. Most people do 10%, but we'll do up to 20% for veterans. And then we also specialize in spearfishing. When we take our trips, we do a lot of spearfishing. We do sell spearfishing equipment to include lionfish holders or keepers.
So as we mentioned, this is a Discovery Scuba class. This isn't a certification, it's more of an introductionary dive, so to speak, into scuba. So kind of some of the basics, the fundamentals, that way we can test it out, get in the water, and see if it's something we even want to pursue further. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to Terry because I gotta put my thinking brain on, have some coffee, and listen to these guys so I don't look like a fool or drown in the pool.
Very elementary, but this is the basic. This is so if you know nothing about diving, this is going to get you there. So very important how water affects you. So water has weight and therefore it exerts pressure. Did you feel that? So if you can do it right here, you can do it in there. Okay, this is a question and answer. I'm going to be asking you this a lot today. You okay? I also accept this. This is acceptable. Not everybody does that, but I do accept the shaka. In Hawaii, the loose shaka. Loose shaka is best.
My fingers don't work.
That's good. Loose shaka. I'll never do check your gauge with this. I'll always do this, but even better, how much you got. You know, just like with the shaka, if you look cool, you are cool.
We got through the introductory class. It was a lot more informative than I thought it was going to be for a discovery class. I learned a lot. I mean, obviously I'm not an expert and would never try to do this alone at home. It was a good breakdown of things to expect, how to maneuver, and just kind of how to communicate underwater. And then some of the key takeaways are to continuously breathe the entire time. I'm feeling a little bit more comfortable. I was a little nervous at first. I know we're just doing it in the pool today. I'm about to get suited and booted and we're about to get wet.
You may need a medium, dude. I bet you can get away with a medium.
Ooh, medium. Look at that. Slim and trim.
Just like that. Oh yeah, that's nice.
We got the goods, he's getting the services. We'll get dressed.
Yeah, and then you'll learn how to do all this in the regular class. So you'll do this a million times.
So if you come out here, it is optional to wear a rash guard type shirt. It is recommended because you could get some chafing with the straps. I only have this really big loose fitting one, so hopefully that's not that big of a deal. If you have one that's more snug, you should probably bring that one with you.
So you're gonna step into it just like you did up there, except it won't be heavy at all.
Maybe I'll tuck in, huh? I feel like I'm tucking in already. It's cold. All right. Oh, good. There we go.
I thought it was fine. All right, so now we're gonna go put your cummerbund on like you did.
Okay.
So we're putting a little air in, so if he falls over, he doesn't drown.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
You're gonna be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think if you do the actual class, I think you're gonna be awesome. Because that was a really good start.
Nice.
For
nice.
sure. And then you got the juggling down. I mean, it's perfect.
We just finished the in the water portion. Taz, how'd I do? Honestly.
You know, I have to say probably the best Discover Scuba ever.
Really?
Yeah, it was bad.
Seriously?
You did a great job.
Look at that. You heard that.
Yeah,
the best
so,
ever.
Looked very comfortable in the water. Going over the skills was so quick and fast. Usually it takes a lot longer to get people comfortable, but you seem very comfortable going under the very first time. So yeah, it was awesome.
Awesome. Then what's the next step?
So what we're going to do is we're going to graduate from the pool, and we're going to go see some real fish and do some real diving. A little bit deeper. We'll get you down to about 20 feet. And we're going to see lots of cool stuff, so stay tuned for that.
Hey, that's an upcoming video. We're going to do that. So if you like this one, make sure you comment below. But I'm super excited about this.
Okay.
So hey, thanks for having us out. I really appreciate your time.
Yeah, it was awesome.
That was so much fun. I absolutely loved it. I felt like an astronaut.
That's so funny.
I was just floating around. I was genuinely a little nervous. I wasn't sure how I was going to react underwater and with the regulator. Taz made it so simple, and I was so comfortable the entire time. Absolutely loved it. Cannot tell you how much I loved it. And I know Terry didn't get in the water. Maybe one day we can get her in the water, but I can't wait to get back in the water. So like I said, stay tuned, because I can see this potentially being something I do more often, and Taz is the man to teach me how to do it.
Yeah, you guys definitely look like you had fun, and it was informational.
If you guys are interested, make sure you check out the information we'll leave in the description below, so you can reach out to Under Pressure Diving. They'll take care of you. Let them know the first timer sent you. If nothing else, try the Discovery Scuba to see if it's something you're even interested in. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.